In this video, I'll show you how you can buy your first domain on Namecheap. Now, after watching this video, you should be confident in using the Namecheap website, and you should be able to buy your first domain without any problems. So let me show you what you need to do, and we'll jump into the video. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to the Namecheap website. You can do that by going to namecheap.com or go to the link in the description, click on that, and it should take you here. Now, once you're here, you should see this box where it says register a domain name to start. Now here what you want to do is you want to go and enter in your domain name. Now go ahead and enter in your domain name and your desired extension. So for example, youtube.com. Now when you go and enter in a domain name here, so if I go and try and register youtube.com and click search, Namecheap are going to tell you if that domain name is available or not. Now obviously YouTube is not going to be available. So you can see the domain name is unavailable and all of these extensions here are also unavailable. So what you would do is you would try and find a domain name which is available. If you don't want a specific extension and you just want to browse, just type in your domain name without an extension, go and click search here, and it will bring up all of the extensions that you can use here. So you've got videotutorial.co, which may be available here. You can see it's available, but it's priced very high. Then if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see different results. So you've got xyz.me, and if you keep scrolling, you've got 400 plus additional extensions which you can use for your domain. Now all of these work in the same way. You just want to add them to cart and we can go and buy it. So for the video, I'm just going to buy videotutorial.xyz and I'm just going to click here where it says add to cart. So now we've got video tutorial XYZ in our cart. You can see it's going to be $1 per year, and Namecheap are going to try and upsell us some additional things here. So we can try and buy videotutorial.eu. We can also add an SSL certificate, WordPress hosting, web hosting, a VPN, and an email. Now, when I'm buying domains on Namecheap, I don't really go and use any of these. I just go ahead and go to the checkout icon in the bottom right hand corner, and that's going to take you to your checkout. Now you can see here you've got some settings which are very important. So we are registering the domain videotutorial.xyz, and we can choose how long we want to register it for. We can do 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, and so on. Now you can turn this on here, and after this 1 year has gone, if you turn this on, it's going to auto renew that domain with the card that you've got on file. So this is important if you don't want to be constantly going into Namecheap and constantly checking your domains. If you choose auto renew, your domain is just going to auto renew and you're not going to have any problems. Here you've got Who is God, and Who is God protection is also very important when you're getting a domain. You can see Namecheap offer it free forever. If you enable Who is God, it's basically going to hide your identity and you're not going to get spam emails. And if someone did a domain lookup of your domain, your identity and your address isn't going to show. I would highly recommend you get Who is God. And then Premium DNS just guarantees 100% uptime. You can read more about the benefit here. It also has DDoS protection. Now you can choose whether that's beneficial for you or not. For me, I'm just going to leave that off. So now once we're happy with all of that, we can now confirm our order. And it will take us to the next page. Now here we can either log into our account or we can create a new account. For you though, you've probably not got an account on Namecheap. So go ahead and create one here. It's completely free. I'm just going to log into my account and I'll show you what happens next. Once you've logged in, you'll see a page which looks like this. Here you'll have your order review. So we've got a domain here for $1. There's an 18-cent fee. And we've got the Who is God protection for free. Now if we scroll down here, you might see a window here called payment methods. Obviously if you've got a new account, your payment method isn't going to be on file. So you can go here to change, or it might even be in a big box asking you for your payment details. So go ahead and add in your payment details in this tab here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is go to Pay Now, which is in the top right hand corner. So go ahead and click Pay Now, and it's then going to charge your card. In this case, it's going to charge me $1.18. And there we go, our order has now been confirmed. Thank you for your purchase. Now what you can do is you can go and manage this domain here. So if I clicked on Manage, it's going to take me to my domains, where I can then just go and manage the domain. I can go and redirect it to somewhere, or I can go and link it with website hosting. But that's pretty much how you can buy a domain on Namecheap. I hope that video did help you out. Make sure you share it to someone and leave a like, and I'll see you all in the next one.